On February 13, 2024, at the World Government Summit in Dubai, NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang made waves with a bold statement. It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program. This declaration sparked a fiery debate in the tech world. Huang suggested advancements in AI are closing the technology divide and making programming skills less critical. Huang argued that natural language has become the new interface for commanding machines. But does that mean traditional coding is on its way out? Huang's perspective is rooted in the incredible leaps AI has made. Tools like large language models enable individuals to interact more intuitively with systems. Domain knowledge is now more critical than coding itself. AI allows experts to focus on real-world problems while it handles technical execution. Like calculators help with math, AI simplifies coding tasks, but it cannot replace the need for foundational programming knowledge. AI is a tool that bridges gaps, but bugs and biases remain. Understanding the underlying logic is vital to avoid dependency on incomplete tools. Huang isn't entirely wrong. AI makes technology accessible, yet declaring coding obsolete feels premature. Let's see AI as an assistant. The debate isn't about the importance of coding. It's about integrating AI into our learning and work processes while maintaining essential skills. Are we ready to let AI do the heavy lifting, or does this highlight the need to rethink our approach to education and technology?